Hello, in this video I will show you how to share a Canva template to anybody. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to log in our Canva account, and then we have to create a design. I already created a design and this is my template. I am going to share it so anybody with the link can access or modify, or they can build their own template after accessing, or even they can download it. So let's see how we can do this thing. Once we are on the design page or the template which we want to share, we just need to open that thing first. So here is the file or design I want to share with other people. I mean the template link. So what we can do, we can click this share button and then it will bring this type of window. So by default there is nothing like shareable link or something like that. So to do this thing, to share this thing, basically at first we need to click this three dot and it will explain everything. And here we'll find on link is there, it is called share template, something like this, the template link. We just need to click here to share this template. So under the share section, we'll find this template link. We just need to click here and then it will bring this type of window. And here we'll find one option is there, it is called create template link. We just need to click here and the template link will be created. And here you will get the confirmation message, link copied to clipboard. And this is the link which you can use to share with other people. So I'm going to click this copy button to check whether this is accessible from other location or other account. I'm just checking that. I just copied the link and now I'm going to open different browser and here I'm going to paste it. And then I'm going to click enter key of my keyboard. And here we are seeing that it is showing a template created by FewSteps or shared with you. Start designing now. Okay, now this design or this template is shareable to anybody, whoever the link is there. And now we can use this link, use template for new design. If we click here, then it will bring this type of window. And now we can modify or we can do anything, whatever we want, right? And here you are seeing this is another account. This is my professional account or like paid account, and the other one which I did from other account, right? So now we can actually modify or do everything, whatever we want to do, and then we can make a copy of this template. That means we can use this template. And that's it, guys. In this way we can easily share our template to other people or other team or other group members of my team. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Hopefully by watching this video you will able to share your Canva template to other people. Thanks for watching.